What is the radius of the circle? Hence, find the blue area. Inscribe a square ABCHD in the circle. Label points O and B. Join line D, C, which equals the diameter of the circle. Also, draw diameter of the circle from the center O. It is the black dot. OC equals R, the radius of the circle. Hence, the inscribed larger square is made up of 4 equal smaller squares. Line BO equals to line BC. It is because the opposite side lengths of a square are equal. Let line OB be equals to X, which equals to line BC. Consider triangle BOC. By Pythagoras' theorem, the square of R equals the sum of the square of X and the square of X, which equals the product of 2 and the square of X. Take the square root of the equation and we have that R equals X times the square root of 2. Make X the subject of the formula. We have that X equals to or divided by the square root of 2. The square of 10 equals the value shown on the screen. Expand brackets. Simplify and we have that 100 equals 2 times the product of the square of R and the sum of the square root of 2 and 1. All divided by the square root of 2. Cross-multiply and solve for the square of R. It implies that the square of R equals the product of 100 and the square root of 2. All divided by 2 times the sum of the square root of 2 and 1. We call it equation 1. Take the square root of the equation. R equals the square root of 100 times the square root of 2. All divided by the product of 2 and the sum of the square root of 2 and 1, which equals the square root of 100 minus 50 times the square root of 2 in units. Simplify and therefore we have that R equals the product of 5 and the square root of 4 minus 2 times the square root of 2 in units. Or R equals 5.412 units to 3 decimal places. Solution to question 2. Blue area equals the product of line GB and line B. C, which equals to the product of the square of R and the sum of 1 and 1 divided by the square root of 2. Substitute value from equation 1. Simplify and we have our result to be equals to 50 square units. Therefore, the blue area equals 50 square units.